Corporates refer to large companies that exist solely for commercial purposes, that is to make profits for themselves. But they can contribute to development sector work through two main ways. One is by donating funds to non-profits or NGOs as a part of their corporate social responsibility or CSR that the government mandates from them. The second is by creating a specific vertical or a branch of their existing work that aims to create some sort of positive social, economic, or environmental change. For example, a lot of consulting firms have their own social sector practice as well. And some examples of organizations or corporates that are active in this space include Infosys, KPMG, McKinsey, and Reliance.
One of the unique pros of working at a corporate is that you get to experience and learn from both worlds, the corporate sector as well as the development space. The second is that you get to learn from the structured processes for growth and development that would be similar to any corporate job that you might undertake outside of the development sector as well. Finally, the financial prospects of working at a corporate are quite good at all levels. In terms of cons, because the size of the team or the vertical working on the development sector project is likely to be small, your development sector mentorship would be limited because your colleagues and bosses are more likely to belong to the corporate sector. Additionally, the end goal for corporates would always remain business interests like maximizing profits, client satisfaction, or brand visibility. And this very often is not in line with maximizing impact. So, this is something that you should keep in mind.